being born, same time a man is murdered, the beginning and end. As far as rap goes, it's only natural I explain my plateau and also what defines my name. First it was nasty, but times have changed. Ask me now, I'm the artist, but hardcore, my signs for pain. I spent time in the game, kept my mind on fame. Short pain shooter, and do lines of cocaine. So my close friend shot, flatline in my chain. That depends, carry Mac 10s to practice my aim. On rooftops, take CD covers of trees. Line the barrel up with your wing, picture they squeeze. Street pictures for lost souls in the crossroads. To the corner thug hustling for cars that cost gold. To the big dogs living large, taking it light. Pushing big toys, getting nice, enjoying your life is what you make it. Suicide, few tried to take it. Belt tied around their neck in jail cells naked.
All you had to have it. You did a lot of bad things. I think you said you were 10 big for a while. Yeah. You're right, I made a judgmental word and I shouldn't. You did a lot of things, different
Girls used to go. Old rocks. All I would do is say, I don't have any money. You want me to take you out? So they give me $200.